Hey guys, my name's Jacob. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. And today I'm going to show you a little lacing technique called the marathon knot, also known as the runner's knot. You can apply this technique to just about any pair of running shoes as long as you have this little hole right here above the top level of your laces. This technique is going to be really useful in two scenarios really. The first of which is if you feel like the heel of your foot is starting to slip out of the shoe at all. The other scenario is if you feel like when you're running downhill or if you're braking, you feel like you're sliding forward in the shoe. This lacing technique is really just going to help lock in the ankle portion of the shoe while leaving the rest of the lacing normal and comfortable for you. Obviously, you want to make sure you got a proper fit on your shoes, so if you don't know what that should look like, just go into your local running store and they'll always be happy to help you out just finding the proper fit. So let's get into the actual technique itself. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your shoe laced up on your foot. You're going to start from the front of the shoe here and snug up the shoe just like you would normally, get a good comfortable fit. And then once you've got to that point, all you're going to do is you're going to take either the inside or the outside lace first, and you're going to pull it snug, and then you're going to come from the outside back in through that upper hole that nobody ever really uses. And then you're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Just string it through there. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to cross over one side of the laces and put it through that little loop there. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you leave a little bit of slack in these loops until you get your final fit. And then once you're to this point, you're going to kind of work these back and forth and make sure you're nice and snug, just like you like your fit. Because once you pull these other laces tight, you're going to be kind of locked in. So once you're here, get a nice secure fit, and then go ahead and tighten down those loops on either side. And then from here, it's really simple. You're just going to lace up your shoe just like you normally would and get out for your run. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. If you did find it helpful, hit the like button for me. If you found it really helpful or you want to see more of this stuff, hit the subscribe button and I'll be putting out more content. I'm anxious to hear what you guys think. Try it out on your next run. Go out and cruise around and drop a comment. Let me know what you thought. Did it help? Did it hurt? I'm always curious to see what other folks think about it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.